Hello everyone, welcome to the another session. In this session we will be learning how to lay the date of birth of a person in a set format. This is the format which we will be using throughout the session or whenever we have to predict about a person. So here 319 are on the top, then 675 will be laid in between, then 284 at the bottom of a chart. So let's take an example. If a person has a date of birth of 6th July 1989, the total comes to 6. Total is the destiny number. This is the basic number here, 6. So when we will be adding all the numbers, the total comes to 6. Now how to lay this in a chart? We'll place 6 as they are 2 6, double 6 here as it is laid here. So the 7, that is July, 7 is laid in the same manner. So 8 also is laid in the same manner, and 9 here. Okay, we will apply the same rule which we discussed before. That is rule number 1. We never use century in prediction. Only for taking out the destiny number we will add it. So here the century, which is 19, we have not used it here. We have only used it to add it all the numbers and to get the destiny number, which is 6. Let's take another example so you will get more clarity on this. In this example, the total here 1 2, that is the basic number. We'll be adding 2 and 1, which gives 3. Then December 1 2 1985 and 1. To take out the destiny number, we have added all the numbers here. So how we have laid it? In the same format as we have discussed. So 1 2 is here, 1 2 you may see. Here we have 1 2 and 3. 3 times one number we have, so 3 times we have laid 1 in the same format. Then 1 2, rule number 2 here gets applied, wherein 1 2, that is the basic number, the cardinal numbers of the basic numbers gets added, and we put that also. So 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and 2 and 1, if we'll add, we'll get 3. So 3 will be laid here. Then only rule number 3 says only cardinal numbers gets added, not month numbers. They will be written as they are. So we will not be adding December. We'll write December as 1 and 2 only. Okay. So this is the way throughout the session. Whenever we'll be giving prediction of a person, in the same manner, in the same way, using the same chart, we'll be laying out all the date of births. Alright guys, thanks a lot. Bye bye.